Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting fireworks in Minecraft. First, gather your essential ingredients: gunpowder, paper, and various dyes. The key to a longer-lasting firework is the amount of gunpowder you incorporate into its creation. We'll start by crafting the firework star, which dictates the visual display and effects. To craft a firework star, place 1 gunpowder and your chosen dye into the crafting grid. For a larger, more impressive burst, you can add up to 7 additional gunpowder to the star recipe. Experiment with different dyes and shape modifiers, such as a diamond or a feather, to achieve diverse and unique visual effects. Now, let's assemble the rocket. Place 1 paper, 1 to 3 gunpowder, and your crafted firework stars into the crafting grid. The number of gunpowder you add here directly controls the rocket's flight duration, with 3 gunpowder providing the longest possible flight. You can include up to 8 firework stars for a truly spectacular display. To launch your creations, simply hold them and right-click, or place them in a dispenser for automated displays. For truly breathtaking shows, combine multiple firework stars with different effects and colors into a single rocket. Remember to check the description for a link to those handy leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your dazzling, long-lasting fireworks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.